Snow White, performed by Kristen Stewart. Brutal. In Snow White and the Huntsman, Kristen portrayed Snow White in a way that...
Believe. I think you should believe in everything. And of course, the rest, it's...
Hello friends, join me to turn your favorite YouTube shorts into anime style and get the chance to monetize your YouTube channel. This is the interface of AI website which we are going to use for our work. As you can see the options on the screen, you have to click on the video style transfer option, and then you have to click on the upload file and choose the video which you are wanna convert into anime style. As it's showing the uploaded file on the screen, now you have to write the prompt to express your video. And just like me, like now I am just writing the prompt to express my video. Then click on the stylized button which is given in the last corner. Then you have to wait for a few minutes. It's getting ready, and this website works on according to your internet speed. As you can see, our video is now ready to watch. You can download your video just by click. If you have got something to learn, don't forget to like my video and subscribe my channel. See you next time.